Recently, a groundbreaking research paper raised alarms about the reliability of one of the most advanced AI models on the market, OpenAI's O1 Preview. This research has sent shockwaves through the AI industry, highlighting a major flaw in the ability of these models to reason accurately. Let's explore the findings and what this means for AI moving forward. The experiment, testing AI's reasoning. The study uses the Putnam-Axum mathematical benchmark, based on tough problems from the William L. Putnam competition, to push AI's reasoning limits. Instead of sticking to the standard problems, the researchers introduced small changes to constants and variables, testing how well the AI adapts to slight real-world shifts without creating entirely new problems. A shocking discovery: 30% drop in accuracy. So what did the researchers find? When OpenAI's O1 Preview model, one of the leading models in the field, was tested with these altered problems, its performance dropped by a staggering 30% compared to the original unaltered questions. This wasn't a slight dip, it was a significant reduction, and it revealed something deeply concerning about the reliability and robustness of the model. Why does this matter? In the AI industry, robustness is key. If a model can't handle slight variations in its input without its performance crumbling, then it's not a reliable tool for real-world applications. For industries like finance, healthcare, and business, where decisions can be costly and critical, this is a huge problem. Imagine using an AI that performs flawlessly in a controlled setting, only to have its accuracy drop drastically when faced with slight changes. It makes it hard to trust these models for mission-critical tasks. Benchmark saturation. The bigger picture. The researchers highlighted a growing issue in AI evaluation: benchmark saturation. Many existing tests are becoming too easy for AI. To counter this, they introduced the Putnam-Axum variations, new problems with subtle changes to test a model's true reasoning. The results were clear. AI models, like O1 Preview, struggle to adapt to small, real-world variations, as shown by the significant drop in accuracy. Overfitting and data contamination. The research also tackled overfitting, where a model excels on familiar data but falters with new challenges, like memorizing test answers without understanding the material. Combined with data contamination, where test data leaks into training sets. This explains why AI models perform well on standard benchmarks, but struggle when faced with new, unexpected problems. The models tested. Who performed best? The study tested models like O1 Preview, GPT-4, GPT-3.5, and CLIP 3.5. All showed a significant drop in accuracy with the new varied problems. O1 Preview performed best on the original test, 42%, but still saw a 30% drop on the altered questions. GPT-4 dropped by 29%, and even smaller models like CLIP 3.5 faced a 28.5% decline. Logical inconsistencies and lack of rigor. A major concern with O1 Preview was its logical inconsistencies. While it followed the right problem-solving path, it often made claims without proper justification, lacking the necessary mathematical rigor. This is troubling because AI's reasoning abilities are crucial, and without consistency, these models risk producing unreliable results, especially in critical fields like finance or healthcare. What does this mean for the future of AI? This research is a wake-up call. Despite the hype, even top AI models struggle with reasoning, especially when faced with small changes. The performance drop suggests AI may not truly understand problems, but is relying on patterns from training data. For the AI industry, this raises a key question. Can we trust these models for high-stakes applications, or are they still just pattern replicators? The road ahead. The AI community has a lot to digest from this research. While models like O1 Preview show promise, their struggle with reasoning, especially when faced with small variations, reveals a critical gap in their abilities. To unlock AI's true potential, we need systems that can reason flexibly and adapt reliably. This research sparks important conversations about the real limits of current AI. The future of AI isn't just about hitting high benchmarks. It's about building models that truly understand and reason, Stay tuned, because the debate on AI's reasoning abilities is just beginning. So what do you think? Are AI models like O1 Preview capable of true reasoning? Or is this just another glimpse into the limits of their current design? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates on the evolving world of AI. Thanks for watching.